one of the first things I noticed with the Can-Am is that when I jumped in there, it didn't have any mirrors, especially a rear view mirror. Side mirrors I don't think would do very well up here, just because the trails are so tight that those things would be whacking on everything in sight. So I ordered a rear view mirror from Can-Am. Super easy to install. All you need is a T30 Torx. Those are the Torx bolts there, and there's a 10mm nut on top of it. Let's see if I can show you that. You can see the 10mm nut there. There's a like a rectangular style washer that goes over that. But all you need is a T30 and a 10mm, and then there's an 8mm for the back of the mirror here. So I can focus on that. So when you install it, install the frame here first, and then put the mirror on after with the 8mm. Just make sure it's tight, and then it's got this nice panel of everything behind us. Hello. Super easy to install. I don't even think there's instructions on the Can-Am website, but thought I'd do it for you. Talk to you later.